Hello everyone, I am Chandrani Banerjee, Head of Livelihood Programs for Nirdhan in West Bengal. Today we have gathered here in Shundia location and I am here to introduce you to one of our fish farmers, Khotejan Bibi, and her husband, Jikir Molla. They enrolled in our program in April 2023 along with other fish farmers, a total of 50 farmers in a pilot program for fish program from April last year. So they have completed 1 year of their journey. They will tell their story. We are going to hear about all the training, knowledge, skills and assets that they have received from Nirdhan, from Shivya, and how they have benefited from the program. So Khotejan Bibi and Jikir Molla, they met our LSP Rejaul and 4S person Oyon, who is guiding our team and the farmers to through a successful pilot program, and now the scaling program is on for another 150 farmers this year in Shundia location and 50 more in Kolaghat, where we are starting the pilot from April. So this is Khotejan, and she met them in a village meeting, met Rejaul, met Oyon in a village meeting, and they came to know about our program, what the benefits would be. They had many questions, their queries were solved, and then they enrolled into the program. Now Khotejan and Jikir, they used to do fish farming for many years, but it was not successful. এই পন্ডে তো তোমরা আগেও ফিশ ফার্মিং করেছো, তো তোমাদের কি কি সমস্যা হচ্ছিল এবং কেন তোমাদের প্রফিট হচ্ছিল না?
ওই মাছ মরে যেত, মানে তাতে মানে লসে তো মনে হচ্ছে যে আর মানে করবো না, ছেড়ে দেবো।
So Jikir tells us that they used to do fish farming, no doubt, and they took this pond on lease, but they did not make any profits from the fish production in this pond. He got about 100 to 150 kilograms of fish in one whole year. Now that was enough for his, only enough for his family to consume, and there was very little left to be sold, and sometimes no extra to be sold. So এক বছরে আগে আপনার কিরকম ইনকাম হতো এখান থেকে?
ওই অল্প সময় তো 2-10 হাজার টাকা হতো।
Between 2,000 to 10,000 is what he used to earn previously by selling the extra fish from the pond in a year. আচ্ছা, এবার আমরা শুনবো যে আপনারা এখানে ট্রেনিংয়ে কি কি ট্রেনিং পেয়েছেন।
সেই ডিশান চাষ করে দেখছি মোটামুটি লাভবান হবে।
খুদ দিয়ে ওই সব মাছকে যে খেতে দিতে হয় জানলে তো তুমি। So Jikir actually does the cleaning of the pond. He has learned how to prepare the pond from our program for a proper fish farming, and then they have learned a lot about when to put fish in the pond, the appropriate time, the methods of fish seed application, the techniques, and then how to regularly clean the pond, how to keep the fishes healthy and make them grow well. Khotejan says that she knows how to prepare low-cost feed at home. She knows how to prepare the probiotic juice. She knows how to prepare the organic juice to keep the fishes healthy and enable them to grow well, so that they can have a good production of fish. আচ্ছা, প্রথম সাইকেলের পর তোমরা কত মাছ মোটামুটি প্রোডাকশন করেছো?
আছে অল্প, খুব বেশি নেই।
আচ্ছা, okay, so now as compared to only 100 to 150 kilograms earlier, most of which was consumed at home, now they have at least 430 kgs of fish from their first cycle, which they have sold and earned about 40 to 50,000 rupees. So that's a huge 5 times difference in their income. and in the next cycle they are expecting another 250 to 300 kgs to be sold. So in a total they will get about 70 to 80,000 rupees from their fish production this year, which is a fantastic benefit impact from the program and a huge difference to their livelihood. So right now I'm going to introduce you to our supervisor of this location. So this is Partho.
নমস্কার পার্থ বিশ্বাস
Partho is the supervisor of Shundia location, and he has been extremely instrumental in driving this program successfully for the last 1 year. We are very happy, Partho.
থ্যাংক ইউ
And what do you feel how the farmers are benefiting?
ফার্মার আগেও চাষ করতো, কিন্তু আগে অনেক ধরনের সমস্যা হতো, যে তারপরে লো কস্ট ফিড দিয়ে ইউজ করে যে কম পয়সায় মাছটা চাষ করা যায়। এখন যেটা ওনাদের কিন্তু আত্মবিশ্বাস আসছে, কনফিডেন্ট আসছে যে আমরা এর থেকে ভালো রোজগার করতে পারি।
So Partho says that the main problem was with the quality of the fish seed and the way they looked after their ponds. They didn't clean the ponds regularly. They thought that the fishes would grow well even in an unclean pond, which is not true, which they have learned from our team. And now they know how to make different kind of organic juice, probiotic juice, feed, low-cost feed at home for enabling the fish to grow in a very healthy environment, to grow very well. So this has brought a lot of confidence in farmers like Khotejan and Jikir, and therefore now they know that they are going to make enough income, not only income but profits, to be able to support their household members. Khotejan, তুমি বলো যে তুমি এই যে ইনকাম যেটা আসছে বাড়িতে, সেটা থেকে তুমি কি ফিউচারে করতে চাও?
ওই ঘর করেছিল, দেনা হয়ে গেছিল, সব দেনা জমি সব মাছ বিক্রি হয়েছে, আবার পুকুরে মাছ দেবে, দিলে তাতে থেকে আবার বাড়বে।
So Khotejan has told us 3 or 4 important plans for the future that she has. One is they recently constructed a house for which they had taken a large amount of loan from the village money lender, which they are repaying from the income they have generated from the first cycle of fish selling. And secondly, they are also able to pay the lease amount now pretty easily as compared to the previous years where they struggled to do so. Thirdly, she is spending on her grandchildren. She has 3 grandchildren, on their education, on their other needs. Fourthly, she is also saving some money to be reinvested into the pond in the next year, when they will have to buy all the fish seed and all the manures, the oil cakes and everything else required to be able to pursue the fish farming, now that they have seen excellent benefits from the program. And Jikir also tells me like he wants to lease more pond in the coming 2 or 3 years by saving enough money so that they are able to grow this enterprise and their family doesn't have to go hungry anymore. Thank you so much for supporting us, for your generous donations, and for supporting families like Khotejan and Jikir and helping them through our fish program to come out of poverty. Khotejan, তুমি খুশি?
হ্যাঁ,
জিকির, হাসি দেখি না কেন, আপনাদের দাঁত নেই কেন?
রাত পড়ে
না খুব খুশি বলুন। হ্যাঁ, so they are really খুশি means happy, very happy. And Jikir tells me I don't have one teeth, so therefore I am not smiling, but that's fine. We still find his smile very lovely and beautiful, and Khotejan is, you see, she is very beautiful. They have their Eid festival tomorrow or day after, and I hear that she has recently purchased a silk sari which she was not able to in all the previous years, where she bought only cotton saris, but this year she has purchased a silk sari. So that's wonderful. Thank you Khotejan, thank you, bhalo kore kono, thank you.
পছন্দ হয়েছে কোনটা? যেটা ধরেছিলাম না ও বলছে তুমি কোনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ? না ধরে দাও, একটা ধরে না।
ও কোনটা একটা ধরতেছে?
তোমার
ধরো 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 একটু ধরো একটা ফটো তুলি
হাত দাও ওটা হাত দাও মাছটাতে হাত দাও
হাত দাও এখানে হাত দাও মাছটা হাত দাও
ওই তো